In this video, I'm going to show you an unbelievable strategy using ChatGPT to create a passive income and make money online. I'm going to show you how you can make anything from $1,985 every single month to $4,717 and then make some serious money with ChatGPT, where you could be earning tens of thousands of dollars, like $43,869 every single month. I'm going to show you real proof of people that are doing this, and I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to do all of the work for you. But not only that, you don't even need a social media following, so you don't need to work to look for the traffic yourself. They're literally going to get all of the traffic for you. And I'm going to show you everything step by step. But before I show you how you can do that, comment your country down below. And that way, I'll know exactly where you're from, so in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. And if you like to make money online, I highly suggest that you subscribe to the channel because I post videos every single week with different money making methods that you can use to make money online. And if you're not subscribed, I could post a video tomorrow or next week that could have been a video that could have changed the game for you forever. So now that you've subscribed to the channel and maxed out your chances to make money online, let's get into the video. So before I show you how to use ChatGPT to make money online, I want to show you proof that this is actually working, how other people are doing it, and different niches that you can do this in. We'll also be using a certain Google tool in combination with ChatGPT to help make this happen. And we're going to be using this website here called Udemy. And this is basically an educational website that people use to purchase different types of courses. There are course creators on here that's making tens of thousands of dollars per month and millions of dollars per year. And I want to show you how you can make money with Udemy and ChatGPT to create an absolutely passive income. So if we scroll back up here to categories and just hover over categories, you'll see that they have development, business, office productivity, personal development, and even the categories have subcategories, and even the subcategories have subcategories. So the opportunities are literally endless. You can do this in just about any niche or subject that you have interest in. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this using ChatGPT. Now I'm going to show you some examples before I show you a website that you can use to see exactly how much course creators are making on Udemy, so that you know that you're making the right decision with the niche that you're going to choose, thus the course that you'll be creating. This way we can verify that this particular niche or course that we'll be creating is in demand and we'll have a good turnout. We can start with affiliate marketing as an example. And if we just scroll down here, you'll see that there are a lot of courses on affiliate marketing. You can see the rating of each course and how many people actually left a review. So 8,785 reviews was left on this course and it's selling for $14.99. And sometimes on Udemy, they could drop or raise the price, or even give it away for free to get more reviews. So we don't really know 100% how much this person has made, but what we do know is that not everybody is going to leave a review. So let's just take half of these people, which is going to be roughly around 4,300 people. And if you times that by $14.99, it's going to be somewhere around $64,000 that this person has possibly made, and maybe even more money, because again, not everybody is going to leave a review. And as you can see, affiliate marketing has a lot of course creators. And this website that I'll be showing you shortly, as you can see here, what course topic are you interested in? And for now, it's going to be affiliate marketing. So if we were to go ahead and scroll down and look here, you see the top monthly revenue for people selling affiliate marketing courses on Udemy is going to be around $3,781, and that's per month. And the beauty with the strategy that I'm going to be showing you is that you can use ChatGPT to create a course on affiliate marketing or any other niches that I'm going to be talking about in this video, or any category that you're interested in. So it's really up to you, and you can create as many courses as you like. So if you wanted to do affiliate marketing, you can expect to be making around $3,781 per month. The second one that you could look at is going to be Canva. There's a lot of people that's interested in learning how to use Canva. And if we look at what these courses are actually selling for, we've got $17.99, $14.99, $12.99. And then there's people reviewing these products also, as you can see here, 2,200 people, 836, and roughly around 6,000 reviews here. And if we look at this page, there's a lot of people selling different types of Canva courses. And if we go back to this website that I'll be showing you in just a second and just scroll down, we'll see that people that are creating these courses for Canva are going to be making around $4,717 per month, which isn't bad for a passive income stream. You create the course once, put it up on Udemy, and you watch it make sales. Another niche that I wanted to go over was Excel. There are a lot of online courses for Excel and a lot of people want to learn it. If we look here, roughly around 374,000 people have purchased this course with an average price of $20. And if we look here, 4,000 people. And then 79,000 people with an average price of around $25. Basically, people are uploading Excel courses on Udemy and making a lot of money. So if we go back to this website, which is going to be udemy.com/instructor/marketplace-insights. So all you have to do is type this in Google and it's going to bring you here. And then all you have to do is type in any category. In this case, it's going to be Excel, and then scroll down. You will see that people that are creating courses on Excel on average are making around $44,000 per month. That's a really nice amount of money to make per month. That's passive income. So how can you use ChatGPT to tap into this course market so you can also start making money online that's passive income using the support of ChatGPT to create this content? And I'm going to show you a few ways that you can do this. So the first thing that you want to do is just go over to Udemy and create an account. And then if you just go to categories, you've got all of these different categories to choose from. But let's just say that you want to create a course on health and fitness. And the subcategory for health and fitness, you decide to look into meditation. What Udemy is really good at is showing you all of the popular topics. But what we need to do is make sure that these courses are making at least $1,500 or more. So we need to come back to this website, look into meditation, and see how much course creators are making per month to create courses on meditation. And as you can see here, course creators are making around $2,000 per month to create courses on meditation. And the thing about this is that you can create a course on each of these popular topics. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's roughly around $16,000 per month. Then once we found a course that we want to create, we're just going to come back to this website and we're going to tell ChatGPT to create a course for us on meditation. So now we want to go back to ChatGPT and we're just going to ask it to write an outline for a course on meditation. And then we're just going to hit this arrow. And once ChatGPT is finished, we're going to have our outline for the course. Now what we want to do is start breaking this course up into lessons. For example, we have our introduction, we have an overview of the course, the benefits of meditation, etc. So now what we want to do is ask ChatGPT to write a script for a lesson on the benefits of meditation. And this is basically what you're going to do for every single point in our outline. Now, I'm not going to do every single point. I just want to show you exactly what you need to do and an example of how to put this course together. So now we're just going to click on this little arrow. And as you can see, it's created a subpoint for us just on the benefits of meditation, which again is just one of the points that we have in our outline, as you can see here, the benefits of meditation. So if we scroll back down here, this script here that is written for us is going to fit inside this subcategory here, the benefits of meditation. And this is what you're going to do for every single one of these points. And you'll have a completely amazing course. So now what you need to do is put all of this together. And to do that, we're going to be using Google Slides. So just go to Google, type in Google Slides, create a free account, and sign in. Once you sign in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. And you just want to go up here and click on blank page. And we're going to use Google Slides to create this presentation. Then we'll record it and read it out as it records. You can use an AI voiceover. You can pay someone to do the voiceover, or you can use your own voice. So now that we know we'll be using Google Slides to create the presentation, we want to tell ChatGPT to break this section down into a Google Slides format. And once you have that, the only thing that you have to do is copy and paste. So now I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to turn the script into a slide presentation. And I'm going to click on this little arrow. And then ChatGPT is going to turn a lesson on the benefits of meditation into a slide presentation. So ChatGPT has basically done all of the work for us. So now we have our outline of the course that we're going to break up into scripts. For example, one that we broke up was the benefits of meditation. And we're going to do the same for each point in this outline. And then we're going to turn each script into a slide presentation. So it will take a little bit of work, but once this is done and your course is uploaded to Udemy, you've created a passive income stream. And the only thing that you really need to do from there is to head back over to ChatGPT to create even more courses. So now we need to copy the title of our slide presentation, which is the benefits of meditation. And we're going to go back to Google Slides, and we really don't need this subtitle here. So I'm just going to right click on this slide and cut it. And then I'm going to hit this drop down and I'm just going to select section header. Then I'm going to pull up a notepad and I'm just going to paste the title here, and I'm actually going to copy it from the notepad. This way I don't have to reformat the text in Google Slides. So I'm just going to go back to Google Slide and I'm going to paste that in. Then I'm going to go back and click on this drop down arrow and select the title and body slide. Then I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, and slide 2 is the introduction. So I'm just going to copy this, go back to Google Slides and paste that in as the title. And if you want to, you could center this. I'm just going to go up here and center. Then I'll go back to ChatGPT and copy this, paste it into my slide presentation. And you can make these bullet points also. And the only thing that you really have to do is ask ChatGPT to give you a little bit more information about this. And then you would just go up here and click on new slide and go back to ChatGPT. We've got the title, we've got the introduction, which is slide 2. And then you would just continue to do the same for slides 3, 4, 5, etc. You could even pull from the lesson that we had ChatGPT to write for us. Here in the conclusion, if I copy this and go back to Google Slides, so I would just go to slide 2 and I could actually just paste that in as the overview. So here we have the overview of benefits of meditation. The benefits of meditation are numerous and varied by reducing stress and anxiety. And then I would do the same thing for this point here. Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years. So if I go back to ChatGPT and just scroll up, welcome to today's lesson of benefits of meditation. Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years and it's been shown to have numerous positive effects on both physical and mental health. So I could actually just copy this and go back to my Google slide and paste that in for this point also. So all you really have to do is follow ChatGPT until you put the entire course together. And once it's completed, you need to film all of your Google slides. So you need to record the entire presentation. And one of the best ways that you can do that is using a free software called OBS Studio. So the only thing that you need to do is just type that into Google and it's going to bring you to OBS Studio. And again, this is absolutely for free. This is going to allow you to screen record your presentation. It's also going to allow you to do the voiceover. So if you have a mic, that's great. Or you can use the microphone in your computer. And then the only thing that you need to do is to record your presentation starting with page 1 all the way through to the end. So you just want to record every single scene. And another good thing is you can just go up here to slideshow. And while it's recording, you can just read it. And the arrows that's on your computer, you would just press that to go to the next slide. And you can just read and record each and every single slide. And that's how you're going to create this very simple course that you can upload to Udemy. And as I've shown you, there's a lot of opportunity for you to make money on Udemy by uploading these courses using ChatGPT. And once you've uploaded your first course, you can just repeat the process to create a completely passive income stream. And you're all set. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.